Hey, welcome to the new Power BI video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix some data source errors that you may face in Power BI. Now, let's see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go to Power Query Editor. And then for each data source, we have some specific information. If I go to Data Source Settings, I will be able to see different data sources that we have here. So what do we have here? We have calendar.csv, customers.csv, this file for pivoting data, products, sales data, and so on. Here is also our database connection. Basically, for each of these data sources, we have some information. In this case, everything is working properly. But what happens if we change something in the data source? Now, let's see. Let me open my folder that contains these data sources. This is our folder. As you can see, these are sources that I'm importing into Power BI. Now, if I change the location of these data sources, or if I change the name, basically Power BI will not be able to understand that we are using the same file. So, for this products table, for example, if we add test, for example, let me go back to Power BI. Now, if I click on refresh all, as you can see, if we go to products, we have some icon here. It's not table anymore, and we can see this data source error. Could not find file. And this is the file that we cannot find. The reason for that is because this file now is changed. It's not called products anymore, it's called products test. And Power BI cannot recognize this file. So to be able to fix this, we can go to Data Source Settings. And then we need to find our file. It's called products. We can click on Change Source to be able to change that source. So we cannot find this file path anymore, and we will click on Browse. And then we can choose products test. Open. OK. Then we can close this and refresh this file. If we do that, we successfully fixed our data source and we don't have any errors now. As you can see, here is our data preview and we are importing everything normally. OK, there is one more way to complete this and I'm gonna show you that now. Let me again open this folder and I'm gonna revert to those changes. Let's go back to products. Now I'm gonna go back to Power Query, and if I click on refresh, again we have the same error. Now we cannot find, because now it's called products table. To fix this, we can go to source, gear icon, and then again we can click on browse, or either we can change here. Let me remove this test. If I click on OK, what do we have here? Basically, we can see products table and we are currently now in this source step. Because of that, we can see only this information here. Now, if I click on this tab here, we will have the full data overview and we don't have any errors in the data source here. So with this, we successfully fixed our errors. Thank you for watching.